Again, for this, for the top switch, we've already removed that. We've already removed this bracket from the back here to allow venting, and we will take off the top lid. And here's the front of the switch, and this time we will install the solid part facing up instead of facing down like this. We'll install it so it's facing up like this. So then we will slide this here down over the notch on both sides, and then slide it forward so it's flush here, and then we install the 3 screws on each side. With this bracket, slide it over, and then attach this single screw. Then repeat on the other side. So if we look at the 2 switches side by side, you'll see one has it mounted with the solid part on top, one on the bottom. So now when we mount them, this one will go on the bottom, this guy will go on top. And we'll have a 2U gap there to get the hands in to get access to the switch power connectors and even the fans for replacement. And then the covers will just go One will go in normally and the other one will go upside down. And I'll show that in another video.